Hey, what's up? This is Riza. I have with me the all-new HERO13 Black, and I'm on a motorbike. And I'm gonna try and show you how you can get cinematic shots with a lot of motion blur by using different ND. The best thing about the new HERO13 Black is it's got an auto detect feature, which means whenever I put an ND on, whichever ND it is, it's going to tell me if this is the right fit, and it's going to exactly tell me which ND I put on. So it says right here ND32. It tells me that it's pretty much fit for current lighting conditions. I'm going to mount the camera on different places on the bike, and we're going to try and get some cinematic shots. Alright, I mounted my camera on the tail of my bike. Alright, that was all about HERO13 Black on a motorbike. If you want to check more tips and tricks, don't follow to join the GoPro India broadcast channel on Instagram, and also you can check out my page. See you next time.